All right, so I can't seem to find Peter anywhere in the shop today, so we're gonna go ahead and continue on with the series of our DIY draft keggerator. So we're gonna be taking this guy, putting some tap in the
Welcome back to Genus Brewing, guys. Today we're turning this into a keggerator.
Stay tuned.
So like Logan said, today we're going to be focusing on framing out the draft parts for this keggerator. That means we're going to be running the shanks and faucets and show you the aesthetics of what it's going to look like.
So our plan is to drill out some holes. We're actually going to focus over here on the side. That's going to give us a nice flat surface to drill these holes on, and we're going to go from there.
Yeah, well, let's get to it. When you go, you don't just go full bore. Yeah, we're good there. That is all the way through. No refrigerant lines. Gotta go one more step. Right there.
Still holding my rack.
So let's talk about the things that we're going to use to build out this keggerator.
Shanks. You need
Shanks.
those.
Faucets,
A couple different kinds.
and that's about it. Let's go to us putting these on the keggerator. All right, so we drilled 2 holes in the side of our fridge here. It's important to be careful with drilling holes in your fridge because there's always refrigerant lines running in there. So we took a educated guess and went towards the side of here. We looked out, it worked out for us, but the safest bet is actually to always drill through the front unless you really know the schematics of your fridge. Shank, like we said before, we got shank. Goes through there. You got the back nut, which will go on the inside. This extra little piece here is actually really important for heat conductivity. So we'll throw the tailpiece on there and then you'll have a little extra conductivity to help ensure that the beer is cooled all the way through to the faucet. Hand tight should be good on those, and so let's add on our faucets here. I'm gonna add this one over here.
This is a good time to grab a faucet wrench.
Spanner wrench. These black flanges right here on the outside, those are purely aesthetic, and you can easily change those for stainless if you want that more metallic look. If you could see our bar view, if you get to see the inside of my bar that I have downtown, you'll see these. I meant to say more on that, but I forgot what I was going to say. So that's a wrap on the basic framing on how to install the faucets for a stand-up keggerator. In the next episode, we're going to go over all the CO2 side and the line balancing for a fridge like this. So until that time, stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So Logan doesn't know this yet, but today I'm gonna surprise him by being stuck in the fridge when he starts filming. He has no idea I'm about to do this.
Peter's actually in the fridge right now. thinks he's being funny, but I'm just gonna make him sweat it out. So look at that bug. Look at that bug. Look at that bug. Peter shoved himself in the fridge again. I don't know what his deal is. I think he likes it in there. It must be just a little quiet time stuff.
Reminds me of being in my mother's womb. Well, confined quarters there. Aim for this hole. Got it?
Yeah.